the Stop Circle Beginner tutorial. I will show you the performance management software and I'll give you a review about this. So, if your HR process scattered across spreadsheets and different tools and you're struggling to keep your employees engaged and retain your top talent, then it's time to bring it all together into one platform. Introducing you to Staff Circle. So, Staff Circle actually helps you to use your one-on-one and all-in-one performance management software. This is actually designed to digitalize your processes, engage your employees, and create a high achieving team no matter where they're located. So you can have any team from other countries and you can still keep track of all of them since all of their information and everything that they actually do for your company is compiled into one software. So in this, you can have a single platform that manages the performance, boost the engagement, and develop your employees, all while automatically gathering real-time data to inform your decisions. So StopCircle is actually the only platform that lets you drive performance management with automated processes, access dedicated engagement tools, and craft detailed development plans. So as you can see, they are actually used by high-performing organizations like Dudley, Harvey Nichols, Radnor, and all those things that you can see right here, and some more. So as you can see, StopCircle is the only platform that lets you with this case right here. So if you have disconnected HR, then it will make the processes the more difficult. So StopCircle can help you with this. So for example, right here, we have in here this person. And this person right here, you can see their career statement, their skill gap, as well as the next role that they're actually was or is getting promoted into. So, for example, this person is actually just an employee and they actually vie for the next role of product manager. You can see in here a score for that to see if they're actually fit to be promoted. So, in this case, all of the data that will be gathered can actually help you influence your decision into promoting people. So Staff Circle also enables performance management. And onto this case, you can see that it will actually enable you to break free from spreadsheet overload because you can see that this performance management will already have in here this great user interface that everyone can understand. So they also have the employee engagement, and in here, the high attrition rates hands-on with Staff Circle's automated employee engagement software. You can see in here that we have in here an AI as well as content wizard. So you can see in here the person awarded as well as the award for that as well as a notice about the awards. So you can give out awards to your employees in order to boost their morale as well as their engagement and motivation to the job. So in here, you can also see employee development. You can make developmental personnel to each employee, and you can also create highly skilled workforce using this case right here. So we'll have in here the next role, next development review, and the likes. So as you can see, each right here have their own product right there. So you can see that we have the performance management application itself that has been included on the Staff Circle. You can head over and click onto this book a demo option in order to book a demo with Staff Circle and then try it out yourself. So in here you can see that the out of control performance tracking will be solved. You can also reduce your admin to focus on strategy, and you can also perform performance processes that stick and actually is repetitive. So as you can see, we have in here the all-in-one performance management and not a tick box exercises because it will be given right here. As you can see, this person will be given feedback based or given by their actual co-employees. We can see in here some better performance because of these feedbacks, and those awards can also mean a lot of things since this will actually boost their morale. We can also create in here the charts or processes and we can see them in one glance like this one. So you can help yourself understand your workflows at a glance right here using the charts, and you can also access real-time performance insight based on the employees' feedbacks. So it will also provide you with a goal tracking for your employees that is actually really cute and aligns with the company and employee goals. So you should be able to have shared objective, and then the employee can give the employee managed goal updates and tracking. So we have in here the date starts, date ends, as well as recurrence for this one. We also have in here the key results for that as well. So as you can see that based on your role, you can choose in here a role like HR, L&D employee, CTO, CFO, as well as CEO. And you can also choose in here your workforce type. It can be a frontline, it can be desk-based or remote, wherever country that you actually hire employees into. So in here, it can actually help you streamline your process and make things more fitter for your actual workforce. So if your team is actually all working online, then it may be a struggle for them to connect with each other. So this is where Step Circle will actually come into play since it will give them feedback on each of the employees' motivations as well as performance reviews. So as you can see, Staff Circle makes employee engagement measurable. You can have high attrition rates, and those high attrition rates may be causing concern, but you can still solve that. So you can also understand employee motivations, and you can have better retention and engagement with them. So for this case, you can see that you can connect your entire workforce, even if they're remote or working across the globe. You can give digital continuous feedback for all employees. You can give it awards. This is actually desktop and mobile friendly, so whenever they're in or wherever you are, you can still access the staff circle itself. So in here, they have some templates that can actually help you with this. We have some channels as well as awards, engagement surveys, and the likes. We also have in here this option right here in order to attract, engage, and retain top client as well as bridge the generation gap. So for example, this is actually a great thing that Staff Circle gives out because some companies, some employees are on different age range. So it may take engagement to each other and connection a lot more difficult. So in this case, you can input right here an above and beyond as well as anniversary option and loyalty awards for people who stay with you, and you can give them a real-time 360-degree feedback as well as central communications hub in order to connect to each other. So Staff Circle employs Staff Circle AI that can actually give you more time for this case. So in here, you can spend less time on admin, and you can see in here how much time you can spend strategizing. You can also automate manual processes using their AI, and you will have better planning and better productivity using this. So this AI right here can help you go over and see in here the success circle, analyze the data that you have, and you can see in here the governance, the ethics council, anti-bias testing, as well as the AI steering committee that can help you with your AI and people data. It will give you all of these features right here in order to give out an additional option in order to give out more productive work. You also have configurable AI prompts that can actually be configured in order to give out different results on each questions that you ask. So if you're interested to learn more, you can head over to stopcircle.com. You can either log in or request a demo from them. And then using this case, you should be able to employ this software in order to manage performance review of each of your employees. So that's all there is today. And if you have any questions, you can comment them down below on the comment section and we'll try our best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching.